Today we're going to be having a look at these PIFCO Santa lights. So these are PIFCO Santa lights. They're more of a, well, when I say recent purchase, recent in the last 4 years, as in big purchases. These cost me about £42 off eBay. I missed the boat on these years ago. I wasn't fussed on them at first, but they kind of grew on me with the Tutti Frutti lights that I had, having one of these shades. I think £42 was pretty reasonable now, because I think these go for 50 plus, but you might get them cheaper, you might get them more, but I really wanted them, and they're quite a substantial sets of lights. They're quite chunky. You get a lot more value for your money than I think you do with Cinderella shades, because you get 20 of the same shade. Well, as you can see here, I'm sans one shade, but that's because when I took them off the box, one of them made a bid for freedom and went down behind a load of other boxes, but that's future me's problem. The shades do come off quite easily on these. I don't know if it's something to do with the weight or they're just not a very good fit. I mean, they have a slight slope on the inside step to engage the bulbs, but it's not very tight. I mean, you can give them a good twist, but eventually they do work loose. But anyway, PIFCO Santa lights. These are probably an 80s set. They screw in. They've got the deep, taller bulb holders. I'm pretty sure Cinderella lights have a similar bulb holder for the carriage lights, and then they have a shorter one for the lanterns. Again, I've not examined a set of Cinderella lights up close yet. We'll have a little look at them eventually. They've got some great colours on them. They've got yellow and orange coloured shades. I'm not a fan of that, but they're quite distinctive, especially since I've put these. I'm not sure if they actually ran coloured bulbs or clear bulbs, because again, I've converted a lot of set of lights over the years. They may have had coloured bulbs in, but these bulbs all look new, so I think I might have actually converted these myself. So that looks like one of the original bulbs. It's a shorter bulb. And then there's a taller bulb. But they come with purple. I'm a big fan of purple. I like pink too, but I'm a big fan of the purple. They've got pink bulbs in them, because you can't really get purple bulbs anymore. And you get, let's have a look what we got. We've got 4 red, 3 orange, got 3 blue, 3 purple, got 4 green, and we've got 3 yellow. And I'm running a fuse bulb in the yellow lights. So we did a video of how these shades come apart. You can find that video here if you want to know how they come apart. And we have also done a 3D print file of these. We're not tested any yet. I need to get myself a 3D printer to start doing things like that. You can also find that video up here if that's your bag. Right, let's get them turned on. They weigh quite a lot, these. There's a hell of a lot of plastic into the making of these shades. That's it. I'll nearly knock the camera over while I'm doing it. There we go. They all work. They seem quite dim to me, but nice warm colours, not too glaring. They look fantastic, almost look new. Fantastic warm festive colours. These shades have a nice bit of refraction on them. You can catch the light coming through the stars. The filament lines up almost perfectly with the stars. The yellow ones are the best ones to see the refraction on. You can see that there. Actually, that's the fuse bulb, but there's a yellow coloured one. You can see great refraction. Great set of lights. Good round a fireplace or round a window, even better on a tree. I've had these up, well, I've had them up every year since I got them. They've been around the fireplace, they've been around a window. Absolutely fantastic. You just can't buy stuff like this. PIFCO lights were class, they were quality, and it's a shame we don't get anything like this. I think there is an actual market out there to have classic styles of lights like this come back. Maybe not so much the same way of construction that these are, but I mean, what's stopping somebody like PIFCO coming back into the Christmas light market? Thin strand, have an adapter plug on the end that you plug a barrel jack into, or a proprietary plug, and have similar style bulb holders to these with built-in LED bulbs. You could have clear, you could have cool white, you could have coloured, or have them RGB where you can control them with an app, and then have multiple shades and pick and mix shades. I mean, I think there's a market for it. I don't know if it's because some of them have small pieces on them like the Cinderella shades, but I think they should come back. Set to 20, set to 40, not hundreds and hundreds of bulbs of LED blandness that everybody seems to have up these days. But stuff like this needs to come back. It's really good. It's nostalgic to a lot of people. The amount of subscribers I've been gaining of people searching for old Christmas lights and trying to find the lights that their nan used to have or their mum used to have. I'm like, oh, I really miss these lights. I had no idea what they were called, but I'm glad I found your channel. I'm glad I found this information. It's nice to reach out to people like that and find that there's other similar people with similar interests and nostalgic memories out there. Well, there you go. There's PIFCO Santa lights. I hope you like this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.